Hello guys, my name is Stanley and I'm from RC Tang Legion, and thank you for watching my channel. So today we're gonna do the part 3 of our speaker series. Today we're going to do a sound comparison between all the speakers that I have here in front of me. So right here we have our 5.3 standard Henglong speaker. This comes with the newest the radio's version, where the sticker is silver and he has a picture of the King Tiger on it. So this is the speaker. It's much better than the previous generation of speakers. And then right next up is the Mato twin speakers that comes with all the Mato tanks. Right here we have the FRS-7, and inside my box over here is the FR7. This is a much bigger speaker. FR8, sorry, FR8. I made this speaker box much earlier, and we got over here the FRS-8. And of course, to keep everything consistent, I got my microphone over here, so we got the sounds captured perfectly. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, the volume set to maximum. It's not running on the amp. This is straight from the board. Okay. And parrot sounds, machine gun, cannon, engine running. As you can hear with the stock speaker, towards the end of the rev range, as the revs climb higher, you can hear it starts to lose a bit of power. It feels like it's running out of air or something like that. So that's the 5.3 Henglong speaker. Let's hear the difference running on the Mato speakers. This is rated, I think, 3 watt each speaker, so it's 6 watts. I'm going to put it in the same position, so it should sound the same. So number 1, which would be the turret sound. Again, we can hear the difference. It's much better. This has better treble, I guess. You know, better high frequency range. Well, sounds alright. Sounds alright. And now we have the FR7. The FR7 is rated for 8 watts nominal, and then I think 15 watts maximum. This is without a box, so it doesn't sound loud. Okay, as you can hear, it's a little, it sounds a little hollow because there's no box to go with it. And, you know, I don't have a box to compare it with now, but just, you know, just for experimental purposes, and let you hear the difference between all the speakers. And that it comes from the same, output. So again, turret. Much louder. Clearer too. show you the difference again without the box. Put it in the same position. If you can hear the difference, the machine gun sounds a lot sharper compared to this. Yeah, this is not as sharp, definitely crisper, clearer for sure. And the best of all, let me change the setup. We're gonna put it to the amp. Max volume. This is the FRS-8 inside the speaker box that we made. Definitely louder for sure. I definitely felt that shot literally through the hole. Well, I hope this video has been informative and enlightening for everybody. So it's important to have good speakers. The bigger, the better. Definitely the speaker box is really important. And again, I find using the bass relief valve makes a big difference. It allows air to balance itself, and then it allows certain frequencies to sound much better. Even small speakers like this even have the bass relief valve, and when I turn it on, you could literally feel the air poking out of this. You know, it's really makes a difference for me. And yes, if for some people who did have sharp eyes, you realize there's a bit of polyester foam. This is the same stuff that you use in your soft toy stuffings. Apparently, running this in your box does help a bit with the bass. This is a trick that the car guys use. So let me see if there's any difference if I put this in, and let's hear it. Okay guys, I hope you find this video informative and enlightening. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and always feel free to give suggestions for what videos I should do next. And as always, please like, share and subscribe.